Starters muna tayo, brought to us by Doride. Ang bola ng Pinoy, Gaitos, Cruz, De La Rama, Bayani, and Malaga. Para sa Pasig, Apase, Timothy's. Batang Abra, Weavers, Lamtex naman will have Miranda, Alfanta, Lozano, Panapanaan, and Gomez as their starting five. De La Rama asking for it against Panapanaan. The turnaround gets the first two of the game. Ito na kayo pinag-uusapan natin, Renzo.
Dito, hininginan ni De La Rama yung bola. Napakagandang turnaround jumper against Ivan Panapanaan.
Masyado nagpakita nung game 1.
Well, yun naman ang maganda for Junior De La Rama. No? As you see another basket coming from JDR. Talaga.
Batang Abra, Weavers, Lamtex still searching for their first points. Lozano fires another triple. This time, able to knock it down.
So that was a great play.
Yung unang tira niya kanina, you know this kid is certainly deadly from beyond the arc. Eye off the glass and still able to get it to fall.
So the possession was going nowhere for Pasig.
De La Rama will run it ahead to Bayani. Give another basket here para sa Pasig to up the lead to 5.
Well, ang naging difference lang naman dun sa mga turnovers sa Sucida's layup by Bayanias.
Goes to the corner. Mac Alfanta on the move once again. Gets the floater to fall.
And that's just too easy for Mac Alfanta.
Lozano able to split the defense and gets the finger roll. Take another look at this escape from Justin Lozano. 5 early points para sa kanya. So we have our first time out draw.
J. Mark Lloren.
Couple of players, especially itong si J. Mark Lloren. Also, hindi natin masyadong nakaramdaman in that game number.
Tumatakbo sila pag wala, hinahatak nila. This is that nice drive for J. Mark Lloren against two defenders.
Herrera.
Well, another turnover for Pasig Apase Timothy's. Their possession went nowhere there as you see this three-pointer by Harry Herrera. And yun yung masakit.
The final 2 minutes here in chapter number 1. Malaga on the roll. Baseline jumper will hit.
Better execution for Para.
And you know that they will go to Lawrence Mangubat. Drops it off. Eligado will hit.
So great pass.
12 3-point lead para sa Pasig at Apase Timothy's at the end of 1. Looks in off the spin. Gets it to Herrera. Attacks the baseline and finishes at the rack.
The breakdown on defense on Pasig's part there.
Sen ang makakakuha. Mangubat. Short. Looks in. Another chance. Make it an end run.
What about Jid Locsin? I think that's his third.
How many times have we seen Jid Locsin get these types of rebounds, Renzo? And despite the taller threes, able to finish underneath.
And before those two of efficiently in that first quarter, talagang kailangan ibabad mo na siya.
Gets the 3 to fall, make that 7 para kay JDR.
What about that?
Randa to Eligado, block. That time by Soliano. Odador Nakabuelo, lilipad. Overcooks the layup, but Lloren there for the follow.
And they scored most of their points in their last game. So alam mo na may kumpiyansa pa, but that was the second three-pointer. Sucida's three-pointer by Harry Herrera. Gaitos turned the ball over dun sa may half-court line.
Mark Lloren, parang hindi nga naman talaga pwedeng ma-fall in love to one-on-one basketball itong Pasig Apase Timothy's. Three-pointer daw ang ibibigay dito ni Dwayne Miranda to give them a 3-point lead. It was the Miranda 3 ball earlier. Daniel De La Rama.
His body para lang makakuha ng stop, and he was successful that time.
He is not called Bayani for no reason, as we see. 30
On the post against, but this was 30 Malaga against Masiglap. What a nice move.
Miranda to Alfanta. Jumper gets the bounce.
Offensive rebounds and that play alone. And if you're passing a pass at Timothy's, you can't let that happen. But this is Ortega.
In Mandaluyong, this is Mangubat. 3 from the corner. Sinukat lang yung depensa dito. Ano naman yun? Dalawang Carmelo Anthony jab step lang. To the middle. Gets it to.
What about Garupil? Attacking that zone. Pasig Apase Timothy's into multiple possessions. As you see this layup by Garupil. He attack.
Run now para sa Batang Abra. Malaga. That time aggressive to the hoop. Big man. Yeah. So serving as the handles and
Meron siyang soft touch around the rim.
soft touch from the line. At the half, it's 30-27. Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex up by 3.
Guard. So, medyo magkakalituhan talaga sa posisyon, but again, you have to talk inside the court.
Wing Miranda makes it a 3-point play. Enzo, it's 2 black shirts. Takeshi Skasen nakalusot pa rin. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted. Bante ng 5 ang Batang Abra Weavers. 33-28. Podador denied there by Panapanaan. Llorendo gets it to Trigalin. Ligado gets it to Mangubat. Miranda, extra pass, Garupil. Knocks down the triple from the corner.
And this is
Across, even hanggang pocket league. Yung level of competition that we certainly see as we see Garupil this time hitting on the opposite corner.
sabi, no? Dito nagsushooting araw-araw yan si Garupil.
Llorendo, babawi para sa Pasig.
Pero he has to be aggressive.
This was the Garupil stroke from that left corner. Answered by J. Mark Loren naman para sa Pasig Timothy's. So you like that?
Little confusion on the offense of Batang Abra Weavers and they were successful.
Loren all alone on the other end.
So you get that steal, meron tao sa likod mo eh. So you have to be aware of that.
Last break of the game muna tayo, brought to us by Larga International Logistics Incorporated. Looks in. Behind the back. Floats it up and in.
Just a smart move para Jid Locsin.
Podador gets it to Malaga. Against 2 defenders, still able to finish.
Once again, 30 Malaga.
Tapigan. It will fall to the hands of Locsin. Look at that feed to Mac Alfanta.
Another that assist.
And that's 6 rebounds as well para dito kay Jid. As 30 Malaga. Nananalasa.
30 Malaga down low, one-on-one. So you just have to get them to his spot, give him the ball, he's gonna dominate. Inaangat niya na agad eh, and that's very efficient.
43-41. Dalawa, abante ng Batang Abra. Tough shot. Mac Alfanta. Trying to escape Garupil. Malaga. Puts it up. Gets another 30 Malaga.
Now, once again, with that jumper.
Great defense para kay Garupil but better offense. Blocking press. Pokimar. Goes through the hands of Soliano. Garupil gets it to Mac. Alfanta na naman plus the foul.
What about Mac?
That's a typical Mac Alfanta fashion, Renzo. Parang poker face pa rin. Already gave us the pound for pound fitness foul counted move para sa Pasig. Time down to 5. As that foul will mean free throws here. Para sa 1 of 2. Ika nga itong si Mac Alfanta para sa Batang Abra as they will take with them a 5-point lead heading into the 4th.
To close out the series already.
Off balance, but Loris Mangubat still able to knock down the jumper.
The finals MVP last season. Ito na yung perfect time to redeem himself.
Miranda to Garupil for another triple. Gets his 3rd of the ball game. Garupil feeling it.
And what about Jager?
Get it to Malaga underneath. Take another look. Garupil hitting from everywhere. Right corner. Hinogin on the break. Attacking Garupil. Finally gets his first 2 of the game plus the foul.
And Hinogin, badly needed basket para sa kanyang team and para kay Hinogin mismo.
Another move brought to us by pound for pound.
To understand, no? Pag may magko-collapse naman sa kanya, he needs to pass that ball.
Makubat gets the triple.
Kailangan ngayon na mangyari, but hindi sila kailangan magmadali on their offense because they're going to isolation plays right away.
Hinogin. That's the ball stolen. Bayani bouncing into Hinogin. Another layup para kay Ju. 8 now in the game. Yun na nga yung sinasabi mo, Renzo, after a made basket. 5-5. But this was the connection. Russell Bayani to Chevy. Ju Hinogin for his 8th point here in the 4th period. A chance to add to his 3-point advantage. Miranda this time pulls up for a 3. It rattles out. Rebound, Bayani. But fouled by Eligado from behind. And that will mean free throws para kay Russell Bayani.
And this is not the situation you want to be in if you're Batang Abra Weavers, because clearly the moment
Face 11 of 19. The first will fall.
Russell Bayani shooting from the free throw line.
2 for 2 para kay Russ. Garupil. Outside, Alfanta. Open for the jumper. Gets it to fall. Mac Alfanta once again with the answer para sa Batang Abra Weavers.
And
The drop. Rebound battle will be going to Hinogin. And he is all alone. Gets the layup to fall. Baba muli sa missing from the long two. Panapanaan. Another rebound in traffic. Foul given up here by Hinogin. Free throws coming up para kay Dwayne Miranda with 12.6 left in the game.
well, Jevi Nogan took so much time on the clock before he, well, in situations like this, it's all nerves.
1 of 2 para kay Dwayne. Attacks immediately. The jumper ties us up at 60. Jevi Hinogin.
And there's that space that I'm talking about. As soon as Jevi Nogan got that ball, Junior De La Rama went on the other side.
Spasyo na hinihingi mo nga Renzo on that left side. That's enough for Jevi Hinogin to create space for himself.
See the guy that needs to operate para sa Batang Abra Weavers.
Magarupil inbounding it to Miranda against De La Rama. Kick out. Herrera for the win. Ali Herrera for the lead. There's still some time left, but no more timeouts, I believe. Para sa Pasig Timothy's. Only 2.5 seconds remaining. 63 to 60. De La Rama gets it into Hinogin. He throws it up. Short. And the Batang Abra Weavers Laptex are our Season 2 National Champions! Para sa Pasig, no timeouts remaining to try to set something up. Our final score is 63 to 60. Batang Abra Weavers Laptex completing the sweep